Hello, my friends. I want to tell you a secret how to start poultry farming from scratches. But before that, kindly like my page, share my page, follow my page. You can also get me in Facebook as Teacher Olilo. You also have a page at Legit Poultry Farm. Kindly follow and share. Now, I want to tell you this. You don't need to go for a loan. You don't need to take a credit from a friend. You don't need to call Harambe to start a poultry farm. You can start it from scratches. Now, when you visit my farm with only 2,000 shillings, I will give you 10 chicks. And the chicks are already vaccinated, so you don't need to buy a vaccine. They are already okay. They are healthy. This is what you do. I'll give you 10 chicks. 11 female and 1 cock. These chicks, they take 6, 7 or 8 months to mature, assuming that you get them in January. By June, July, August, they'll be laying. Now, let's say that you give each hen 15 eggs. Then on the lower side, they hatch 10 chicks each, which is impossible. Mostly they'll get 13, 14, 12, but let's say they get 10. So we're having 90 chicks, plus the breeding stock, that is 100 chicks. Already you've started farming. Now, these chicks, vaccinate them, treat them well, give them another 6 months. They will start laying. My friend, remember, at this time now, you have 100 big hens. They start laying. You'll be having 90 hens laying. Pretty you started. Give them again 21 days. In that 21 days, they'll hatch. Again, assume that on the lower side, each hen is having 10 chicks. Take 10 times 99. Already you are hitting 1,000. So don't go for a loan. Come to my farm. Come to Legit Poultry Farm. I will train you for free how to maintain zero mortality in your farm. In my farm, chicks don't die. They don't die. I'll train you from 1 day old up to the point now they're laying. So come to my farm. I give you these chicks at only 200 shillings. Visit Legit Poultry Farm for a legit poultry, for good hens, quality and that. So kindly don't forget to follow me. Both Facebook, follow Teacher Olilo, Instagram Teacher Olilo, LinkedIn Teacher Olilo. Feel welcome to my farm. Thank you.